Hey my loves, back with another video. Okay, so this one's from Glitz Accessories. Ooh, accessories and such. Excuse my language, my pronunciation. Our girl hungry. Hungry for a Kit Kat. That's what I'm eating. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Bath and Body Works. Okay. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love the fact that it's gold. I love gold. So Glitz accessories and such. I don't know why I can't say that. That's probably like a tongue twister for me. It'd be all over. Their boxes, this is $50 and everything inside is worth $100. Ooh, they got some nice stuff. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited. Okay, hold that down. Okay, ooh. I got some foils. These are so pretty. I can't wait to use this foils. Galaxy. Right up my alley. I'm so pumped. Okay, so here is their card. They're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Oh, it's 10% off. I can't show you guys that because I don't want nobody taking my stuff. My next order, 10% off. Okay, we're gonna put that down there to the side. Oh, this is so pretty, y'all. These crystals. Yep. Oh, so pretty. Excuse my hands. Oh, I don't know what's going on today. I'm doing a lot of videos. That's probably why. Ooh, let's say beautiful nail stickers. Beauty comes from the love of heart. These are so pretty. Okay, so these are the ones you just peel off. I love those. You just peel them off. No water required. Ooh, yes! Oh my gosh! Do you know how pumped I am right now? Okay. Just stick them to your finger and toes. They're stickers, like literally. Follow instructions. Not that hard to do. Versace, 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 Versace. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I had to show my boyfriend real quick. Yeah.
That's my shit.
That's your shit? Okay, so. Ooh. I'm just super pumped, y'all. Oh, this is so cool. Ooh. I seen her use these, but she had the blue ones. That one I watched that day. Oh, it's so cool. I like that. I like this little thing. This is very cool. You can see through it. That's a big plus. Okay. So what do we have next? Matte top coat. Ooh. I thought it was the foil stuff, but it's not. But it's okay. Just look at this. This is so cute. Matte top coat. Ooh. I like that a lot. Ooh. I can't wait to try this stuff out, you guys. Like, seriously. I want to try my hand right now, but my nails ain't clean like that. Alright. Okay. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Okay, so these are the little nail art things. I used to apply them on the with tweezers. Oh, I remember her using these. Is they Nancy? Oh, this is so beautiful. If you guys don't know about these, check them out on Instagram. She does videos like every day. Every single day. They go live every day, you guys. Like, you can check them out if you haven't. Oh. There's so many different designs in here. This is like the space. I see a spaceship, moon, stars. These are like bows and stuff, hearts, stars, flowers. These are flowers and circles and other things. Oh, I love this. It's so good. It's so nice. So this box, you guys, is $50 if you didn't remember. Shipping is $10. Yeah, shipping. Okay. Ooh, I got these. The Diamond Dust Pixies. These are so cute. Let me take one out. These are like the caviar beads, you know. I love these little things. Okay, I hear some, like when you open it. Oh, this is filled to the tippity top, and some fell out. Oh, it's so pretty. Use like the sea or something. I'm getting mermaid vibes. I'm getting a lot of stuff, you guys. Ooh. Okay, you guys, this is pretty cool for $50. I like what I received. The fact that this is filled to the tippity top and I can't even close it right, and I'm wasting them. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna go over this again so you guys can see what it is. You get those right here. Get these. You get these cute little designs right here. I think they're so cute. You get the Versace. Hey! You got some flower stickers. They're so pretty. Oh, are these Swarovskis? I don't know. With the flatbacks. This is a coupon code on their card. I got some foils. Oh. And I got their matte top coat. Definitely worth it. Definitely freaking. I can't wait to use the stuff, you guys. Like, seriously. Especially these. My guy, he loves these. So, I know. I might wear those on my birthday. On his birthday. We'll see. Alright, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to use these. Like, I don't know what to do, but these are not going on no practice stuff. No. These are going on my hands or anybody else's. Yeah. Alright, you guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.